this is the collagen I'm currently using. These are Nivea Sun collagen. I use this one. It tastes like bones. Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to another haul video. Yeah, this is a haul video of my current skincare, the products I'm using, and also my supplements. I know I haven't shared with you what I've been taking for my skin, so let's get into the video. So guys, let's talk about the Nivea Sun collagen. This is the collagen I've been currently using and I love this one. So guys, just in case you want to get this Nivea Sun collagen from Healthy You, this is collagen type 1 and 3 and it's for skin, hair and nails and joint support. Of all the collagen I've tried, I don't know, this is really working for me. It has really improved my skin and my hair has really grown. My nails grows very fast, as you can see. This is my nail. They grow very fast, and I think it's because of this collagen. I don't like the taste of the collagen, but what I normally do, I mix it with green tea, but you can put it in water, coffee, tea, and you can use it with orange juice. You have to like use collagen and vitamin C. It works so well when you take them together. So the second one is this ascorbic acid. This is vitamin C. This is what I take, and also this one's so good for skin and health. And you can also use oranges. So apart from taking oranges, I use the ascorbic acid, and then I also use omega-3. I'm using this omega-3 fish oil. Don't know if you can see. Yeah, this is the type of omega-3 that I always take, and I take just one. I take also zinc, but it's not here. Yeah, so these are the ones which I'm currently taking. Let's get to the next skincare product which I just got, and I currently started using Nivea products. And the first one, which I already shared with you, was the Event So Night cream. You can see this is not my first one, so this is so good, and also I've repurchased it again because I love the outcome. I may not love the ingredients that they are using on this product, but the outcome is just noticeable within the first 1 or 2 months. So I got this one. So this one has pearl extract and vitamin C. So I'm going to review this one in a separate video and just share with you guys in a separate video, because at least I've used it. I have something to share with you guys, and that's why I repurchased it. So I got this sunscreen. This is the body sunscreen. It always leaves residue. It has white cast, and I don't know if I'm going to purchase this one once I'm done with it. Let me show you the residue. Like it doesn't get absorbed fast on the skin, you see, and you have like to blend and blend and blend. Even on the skin you have to keep on to blend, but it's not that bad. So
like if you compare the cost of this one and the quantity, I think it's just affordable. Yeah, you
can use it on your body as your sunscreen. So guys, the next one is this Nivea Sun. Nivea Sun, this is also another great sunscreen I love using, and I've used this one several times and I love it. So this one is 50 ml, and I can't really remember how much I got this one, but I love it on my face. It's cost friendly and it's 50 ml, so nice on the skin. And it's how many SPF? So it's 50 UAV and UVB high. So it's light on the skin and it's non-greasy. I love this Nivea Sun as my sunscreen.
So guys, like I've been talking and talking without even filming. So I have to like redo it again.
So guys, this is the next one. This is Nivea Perfect and Radiant Event Zone 3-in-1 Micellar Cleansing Micellar Water, and it has vitamin E and provitamin B5. So for the Nivea products, so far so good with this one. As you can see, at least I've used it a little bit and I'm loving this. By the way, this one removes makeup so well and I love it. Like, it leaves you feeling so smooth, and I'm going to repurchase it again. And I can't really remember the cost, but I don't think it was more than 680 shillings. It was around there. The next one is this simple soothing facial toner. I love simple products. This one is 100% alcohol free, and I will repurchase this one. It has niacinamide, especially for those people who are fighting acne. Like, niacinamide is so good for the skin. That's why I love this one. And it's 200 ml, and I think it's cost around, I think 800 to 900, and it's 200 ml, so you can see it's affordable. It's not that extremely expensive. So I got these cotton pads. I got these ones for removing makeup. So let me show you what I got from Best Lady. I want to texturize my hair, and I got this Mega Growth Regular Strength Relaxer, and I'm going to do a video with you guys together for my hair. Also, I got this Mahine Cars Defining Lotion with argan oil for natural hair. I don't know why they have written it's a lotion, but this one is like a this one is like a gel for natural hair. And I got this one from Bestly, which is near Du Bois. This one was around 750 shillings, and I don't know why these things are so expensive, especially these braiding gels. They are so expensive. Anyway, I think it's affordable. I always look at the quantity. If it's 250 ml for 750 shillings, I feel like it's way on the higher side. So the reason I got this one is because of the people's reviews. So I'm going to use this one to braid or to lay my edges. Yeah, because this one is specifically for natural hair. So I'm going to let you know how it started. So the last item I got from Bestly is these braids.
Like, so of late,
beauty shops have been selling their braids too expensive, especially if you buy them from the salons. They're selling them even 100 shillings per one. So I got this one. This one's are 65 shillings. I normally buy and keep them. So from Du Bois, this is what I got. I got this Mousse olive oil mousse, and it's a ORS.
I love ORS products. Like, I feel like they have very nice quality.
And this is coconut oil infused. I haven't even used it, but it's just a mousse for the natural hair and for the braids. And the cost was 450 shillings in Du Bois. I got this acetone for 250 shillings. Yeah, and those are the products that I got. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.